Okay, we just found this trapdoor spider. He is one not very happy chap. Those fangs, they will hurt. They're not, he's not going to be venomous, as in kill you, but by God, they will hurt. Yeah. I wish I had better light here. There we go. That's his defensive posture. He really doesn't want to be in here. We're going to let him outside now. Very similar to the funnel web in appearances for many people. But we get these quite a lot. Normally we only see them when it's been raining. So I don't know what this one's doing out. But anyway, we got him safely and get him back to where he wants to be.